In this video, we are going to see how to set a background image like this within Blender Render Engine. Let me see how to do this. First, go to Texture option, choose the option World Type and click New. Choose the type Image or Movie. Now in the image option, add the picture which you want. Next, go to Influence and check the option Horizon and uncheck the option Blend. Now come to World option and you can see the background image. Set Paper Sky to display the exact image. Now render the image by pressing the key F12. Now the background image is displaying in the rendering option also.